Heat transfer. Conduction, direct physical contact medium due to free electrons or lattice crystal vibrations. Fourier's law Q conduction is equal to minus Ka dt by dx. Convection, circulation or mixing of fluid medium. Newton's law of cooling Q convection is equal to Ha delta T is equal to Ha into TW minus T infinity. Radiation, radiant energy of wave motion, no medium required. Vacuum. Stephen Boltzmann law EB is equal to sigma T power 4, E is equal to epsilon sigma T power 4, sigma is equal to 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 Newton per meter square Kelvin power 4. Range of thermal radiation 0.1 micrometer to 100 micrometer, 0.3 micrometer to 0.7 micrometer visible to human eye. Optical parameter lambda inversely proportional to T. High temperature measurement. Generally, heat flow rate is equal to Q is equal to delta T by sigma RTH is equal to temperature difference by thermal resistance. No heat generation, temperature distribution, resistance. Slab T minus T1 by T2 minus T1 is equal to X by delta linear. Resistance L by Ka. Cylinder T minus T1 by T2 minus T1 is equal to ln R by R1 by ln R2 by R1. Logarithmic is equal to ln R2 by R1. Resistance ln R2 by R1 by 2 pi KL. Sphere T minus T1 by T2 minus T1 is equal to R2 by R into R minus R1 by R2 minus R1. Hyperbolic resistance R2 minus R1 by 4 pi K R1 R2. Conduction RTH is equal to dx by Ka is equal to L by K. The temperature for metals it decreases, for alloys and gases conductivity increases with the temperature. K diamond is equal to 2300, good thermal conductor because of strong covalent bonds and bad electrical conductor because of lack of free electrons. K wood is equal to 0.053, K silver is equal to 410, K PF is equal to 0.02, K copper is equal to 385 watt per meter Kelvin. K pure metal greater than K metal alloy. Alloying and forming decreases K. K liquid greater than K gas. K gases directly proportional to root 3 RT by M. For gases increases with temperature, for liquids decreases with temperature. Metals except aluminium, uranium. K crystal greater than K amorphous. K by sigma K crystalline greater than K amorphous. K by sigma directly proportional to T. K is thermal conductivity, sigma is electrical conductivity. K by sigma T is equal to L, constant for all metals. L is equal to Lorentz number is equal to 2.45 into 10 power minus 8 watt ohm per Kelvin. PD generalized conduction equation, Cartesian coordinates, dou square T by dou x square plus dou square T by dou y square plus dou square T by dou z square plus Qg by K is equal to rho C by K dou T by dou T. Delta square T plus Qg by K is equal to 1 by alpha dou T by dou T. Alpha is equal to thermal diffusivity is equal to K by rho Cp. No heat generation, delta square T is equal to 1 by alpha dou T by dou T. Diffusion equation. Steady state with heat generation, delta square T plus Qg by K is equal to 0. Poisson's equation. Steady state without heat generation, delta square T is equal to 0. Laplace equation. This is diffusion equation, this is Poisson's equation, this is Laplace equation. Cylindrical coordinate dou square T by dou r square plus 1 by r dou T by dou r plus 1 by r square dou T by dou pi square plus dou square T by dou z square plus q dot by K is equal to 1 by alpha dou T by dou tau. This completely these two terms are known as 1 by r dou by dou r dou T by dou r. Spherical coordinates 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou T by dou r plus 1 by r square sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta dou T by dou theta plus 1 by r square sin square pi dou square T by dou pi square plus q dot by K is equal to 1 by alpha dou T by dou tau. Critical radius of insolation for cylinder RC is equal to K insolation by HO. For sphere RC is equal to 2K insolation by HO. Q max at RC. Thermal equivalent total thickness same, RTH same. Uniform heat generation Q dot watt per meter cube. Heat flux per unit volume. The slab T infinity TW T naught 2L dou square T by dou x square is equal to minus Q dot by K. T naught minus T is equal to Q dot x square by 2K. T naught minus TW is equal to Q dot L square by 2K. T naught minus T by T dot minus TW is equal to x square by L square is equal to x square by L square. Boundary condition TW minus T naught is equal to Q dot L by H. When one side is insulated, Q convection is equal to 0, Q conduction is equal to 0. dt by dx insulated is equal to 0. T max at insulated side. Like insulated max will be at insulated side only. Cylinder 1 by r dou t by dou r is equal to minus q dot by k. T naught minus t is equal to q dot r square by 4k. T naught minus t double is equal to q dot capital R square by 4k. T naught minus t by T naught minus t double is equal to small r by capital R whole square. Boundary condition tw minus t infinity is equal to q dot r by 2h. T naught is equal to q dot r square by 4k plus q dot r by 2h plus t infinity. Sphere 1 by r square dou by dou r square dou t by dou r is equal to minus q dot by k. T naught minus t double is equal to q dot r square by 6k. Boundary condition tw minus t infinity is equal to q dot r by 3h. Variable thermal conductivity K is equal to K naught B into 1 plus beta T. Take K at average value, solve and solve. Tm is equal to T1 plus T2 by 2. Q is equal to K naught into 1 plus beta Tm A into T1 minus T2 by L. Temperature distribution for beta greater than 0 it will be like this, beta equal to 0 it will be linear like this, beta less than 0 it will be like this, beta greater than 0 d square t by dou x square less than 0, d square t by dx square equal to 0, d square t by dx square greater than 0. Transient or unsteady conduction, heat transfer, quenching, time response of thermocouples, thermometers, R conduction less than R convection, Newtonian heating or cooling. HA into T minus T infinity is equal to minus MCP dou T by dou tau. Dou T by dou tau is rate of cooling. Ti minus T infinity by T minus T infinity is equal to e power minus HA by rho VCP into tau is equal to e power tau by Tc. MCP by HA is equal to rho VCP by HA is equal to time constant tau star. HA by rho VCP, HA tau by rho VCP is equal to HA by Ks into AS square K tau by rho V square C is equal to HLC by K into alpha tau by LC square is equal to Biot number into Fourier number. T minus T naught T infinity by Ti minus T infinity is equal to e power minus Biot number into Fourier number. LC is equal to characteristic length is equal to volume of solid by surface area of solid. Shape LC is equal to V by A. Slab V by A is equal to AT by 2 into 2A is equal to T by 2. Cylinder LD V by A is equal to pi D square L by 4 into pi DL is equal to D by 4. Sphere V by A is equal to 4 by 3 pi R square into by 4 pi R square is equal to D by 6. Cube V by A is equal to A cube by 6A square is equal to A by 6. Q instantaneous is equal to HAS into Ti minus T infinity into e power minus Biot number into Fourier number. Q total is equal to rho VC into Ti minus T infinity into e power minus Biot number into Fourier number minus 1. Biot number is equal to HLC by K is equal to LC by Ka by 1 by HA is equal to internal conductive resistance by external convective resistance. Biot number less than 0.1, lumped heat capacity valid, whole body is at same temperature. Biot number greater than 0.1, use Hessler chart. Fourier number is equal to alpha tau by LC square, degree of penetration of cooling or heating effect, dimensionless time, alpha tau by LC square. Lower tau star better response, thermocouple 3 tau star to 4 tau star recorded after this time for 63.2 of initial temperature sensitivity. Extended surfaces fins increase heat transfer by increasing surface area. E left is equal to E right plus E convection minus Ka dt by dx is equal to Ka dt by dx at x plus dx plus HAS into t minus t infinity. D square t by dx square is equal to d square t by dx square minus hp by ka into t minus t infinity is equal to 0. Theta is equal to t minus t infinity. M is equal to m square. M is equal to root hp by ka cs a cross section is equal d square theta by dx square is minus m square theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to C1 e power minus mx plus C2 e power mx. A cross sectional area P perimeter. For rectangular fin, A cross section is equal to BT, P is equal to 2 into B plus T. LC is equal to L plus A cross section by P is equal to L plus T by 2. For cylindrical fin A cross section is equal to pi by 4 D square, P is equal to pi D. LC is equal to L plus D by 4. Characteristic if these are cases of infinite length. If ml greater than or equal to 5, then consider as infinitely long fin. At x equal to 0, theta is equal to theta naught, x equal to infinity, theta is equal to 0. At x equal to 0, theta is equal to theta, fin finite length insulated tip. Insulated tip, so at x equal to L, d theta by dx is equal to 0. Fin finite length non-insulated, x equal to 0, theta is equal to theta naught. As it is non-insulated, at x equal to L minus Ka dt by dx is equal to minus Ha t minus t infinity. Okay, now let's see the characteristic and in the cases theta by theta naught is equal to t minus t infinity by t naught minus t infinity is equal to e power minus mx infinitely long fin, finite fin insulated tip cos h ml m into L minus x by cos h ml cos hm into Lc minus x by cos hm Lc. Finite length, these two cases will be same except that in non-insulated fin correct length will be used. In insulated normal length is used. Q fin is equal to root hp ka into t naught minus t infinity. Fin finite length insulated tip root hp ka into t naught minus t infinity into tan hml. Fin finite length non insulated tip root hp ka into t naught minus t infinity into tan hmlc. Efficiency eta fin is equal to q actual by q max possible. Q max possible when whole fin is at base temperature. K tends to infinity. HPL into T HPL into theta naught. Infinitely long fin 1 by ml. Finite tan HML by ml. Tan HMLC by MLC. Effectiveness epsilon fin is equal to q with fin by q without fin. Q without fin is equal to HACS into theta naught root pk by HACS. Fin finite length root pk by HACS into tan HML root pk by HACS into tan HMLC. Epsilon fin is equal to eta fin into PL by ACS is equal to eta fin into surface area of fin by cross sectional area of fin. TL minus T infinity by T naught minus T infinity is equal to 1 by cos HML thermodynamic error. Error small, ML large, H high, K low, T high, long, well, inclined position. For better effectiveness, thin and closely spaced fins are used. heat exchanger energy balance mh dot cph into thi minus the is equal to m dot mc dot cpc into tce minus tci. Parallel flow heat exchanger delta TE counter flow heat exchanger, it will be like this: delta TE LMTD is equal to delta TM is equal to delta TI minus delta TE by ln of delta TI by delta TE. LMTD cross flow is equal to F into LMTD counter flow. F is correction factor. Delta S universe parallel greater than delta S universe counter flow. Delta delta Tm counter greater than delta Tm cross flow greater than delta Tm parallel flow. So the counter is of smaller size. Special cases LMTD parallel is equal to LMTD counter. Then condenser type heat exchanger, evaporator. M dot mh dot cph is equal to mh dot mc dot cpc. LMTD counter is equal to delta Ta is equal to delta Ta. Balance counter flow heat exchanger. Heat exchanger heat transfer is Q is equal to UA delta Tm. U is equal to overall heat transfer coefficient 1 by U is equal to 1 by H1 plus F1 plus 1 by H2 plus F2. F1 F2 fouling factor. A is equal to total surface area of tubes is equal to pi dl n into P. N number of tubes per pass, P number of passes. Effectiveness of heat exchanger epsilon is equal to Q actual by Q max possible. Q max is equal to m dot Cp smaller into T delta T max, which is Thi minus Tca. Epsilon is equal to Thi minus Thi by Thi minus Tca when mh dot Cph less than mc dot Cpc. Is epsilon is equal to Tci minus Tce by Thi minus Tci when m dot mc dot Cpc less than mh dot Cph. Number of transfer units NTU is equal to UA by m dot Cp smaller. Capacity ratio C is equal to m dot Cp smaller by m dot Cp larger. 0 less than C less than or equal to 1. Epsilon is equal to F of NTU comma C. Epsilon is equal to 1 minus e power of minus 1 plus C into NTU by 1 plus C. For parallel flow, epsilon is equal to 1 minus e power of minus 1 minus C into NTU by 1 minus C into e power minus of 1 minus C into NTU for counter flow. When case 1, when C is equal to 0, when one fluid changes phase, epsilon parallel is equal to epsilon counter is equal to 1 minus e power minus NTU. Case 2, when C is equal to 1, epsilon parallel is equal to 1 minus e power minus 2 NTU by 2. Epsilon counter is equal to NTU by 1 plus NTU. Convection H is equal to minus K dou T by dou Y at Y is equal to 0 by TW minus T infinity. H bar average heat transfer coefficient is equal to 1 by L integral 0 to L Hx dx. Hx local heat transfer coefficient. Reynolds number Re is equal to rho V bar d by mu is equal to inertia force by viscous force is equal to Vd by mu. Prandtl number Pr is equal to mu Cp by K is equal to V by alpha. Nusselt number Nu is equal to HL by K. Beta is equal to 1 by V dou V by dou T at constant pressure is equal to 1 by T mean for ideal gas. Grashof number Gr is equal to G beta delta T L cube by V square is equal to buoyant force by viscous force into Ra. Delta T is equal to Tw minus T infinity. Stanton number St is equal to Hx by rho V infinity Cp is equal to Nu by Re into Pr. Nu by Re into Pr. Forced convection flow over flat plate D is equal to characteristic dimension is equal to length of plate in direction of in plate direction. Re less than 5 into 10 power 5 laminar flow. Re greater than 6.5 to 7 into 10 power 5 turbulent flow. Hydrodynamic boundary layer laminar flow. Thermal boundary layer laminar flow. Velocity distribution u by v infinity is equal to 3 by 2 into y by delta minus half y by delta whole cube. T minus tw by t naught t infinity minus tw is equal to 3 by 2 into y by delta t minus half into y by delta t whole cube. V infinity TW greater than T infinity. This is delta T. Profile will be like this. Momentum equation U du by dx plus V du by dy is equal to gamma d square U by dy square. Energy equation U dt by dx plus V dt by dy is equal to alpha d square T by dy square. Tau W is equal to mu du by dy is equal to mu V infinity P by 2 delta. Delta directly proportional to x power half. Tau W directly proportional to x power minus half. Hx directly proportional to x power minus of hx is equal to minus kf dt by dy at y is equal to 0 by tw minus t infinity. Hx is equal to 3 by 2 3 by 2 kf by delta tx, then nx is equal to 3x by 2 delta tx. Pr power 1 by 3 is equal to delta h by delta t. Delta h is equal to 4.64x by root rex or 5x by root rex. Delta t is directly proportional to x power half. For linear profile, u by u infinity is equal to y by delta. Delta h is equal to 3.46x by root rex. For fully developed laminar flow or flat plate, NaX is equal to hx d by k is equal to 0.332 Rex power half into Pr power 1 by 3, and U bar is equal to HL d by k is equal to 0.664 Rel power half into Pr power 1 by 3. H bar is equal to 2HL and U bar is equal to 2NuL. Yes, T is equal to Nu by Re into Pr is equal to 0.332 Rex power minus half into Pr power minus 2 by 3. Pr power 2 by 3 into St is equal to 0.332 Re power half is equal to Cfx by 2. Stx is equal to Cfx by 2. Cf bar is equal to 1.328 by root Rel. Cfx is equal to 0.664 by root Rex. For flow up to turbulent laminar or turbulent or flat plate, Nu bar is equal to 0.037 Re power 4 by 5 minus 871 into Pr power 1 by 3. For totally turbulent flow or flat plate, Re greater than 10 power 5 and delta Hx is equal to 0.371 x by Rex power 1 by 5. Delta H directly proportional to x power 4 by 5. Delta H turbulent is almost equal to delta T turbulent. Cfx is equal to tau w by half rho u infinity square is equal to 0.0576 by Rex power 1 by 5. Cf bar is equal to 1.25 Cfl and U bar is equal to 1.25 NuL. Nu bar is equal to 0.036 Rel power 0.8 Pr power 1 by 3. Peclet number P is equal to Re into Pr. Forced convection through pipes and ducts. D is equal to characteristic dimension. D is equal to diameter of pipes is equal to 4A by P for rectangular cross sections. U is equal to F of R. T is equal to F of R. Mean velocity um is equal to 2 by capital R square integral 0 to R U R dr. Bulk mean temperature Tm is equal to 2 by um capital R square integral 0 to R TUR dr. TUR dr 2 by um capital R square. Constant heat flux TW TB delta T is equal to constant, Hx is equal to constant, MCP TE minus TI is equal to HAS delta T. Constant wall temperature TW delta TI delta TE delta TI by delta T is equal to e power HAS by MCP. Delta Tm is equal to LMTD. Q is equal to m dot Cp into TE minus TI is equal to HAS into delta Tm. Nusselt number for laminar flow through pipes or ducts. Nu is equal to Hd by K is equal to 4.36. Constant heat flux. Nu is equal to Hd by K is equal to 3.66. Constant wall temperature. Delta H by delta T laminar internal flow is equal to 1 by Pr. F is equal to 64 by Re. Delta P is equal to 32 mu V L by D square. Delta H laminar is equal to 0.05 Re into D. This is entry length. This is not delta H, this is entry length. And Nusselt number for turbulent flow through pipes Nu is equal to Hd by K is equal to 0.023 Re power 0.8 Pr power n. N is equal to 0.4 for heating of fluid, N is equal to 0.3 for cooling of fluid. Delta H turbulent is equal to delta T turbulent is equal to 10D St into PR power 2 by 3 is equal to F by 8. Free convection in gases H value 3 to 25, forced convection in gases 25 to 400, free convection in liquids 250 to 600, forced convection in liquids 600 to 4000, condensation heat transfer 3000 to 25,000, boiling heat transfer 5000 to 50,000, H phase change greater than H forced convection liquids greater than H free forced convection gases greater than H free convection liquids greater than H free convection gases. Free convection or natural convection, Gr is equal to G beta delta T Lc cube by mu square. If it is placed like this, H is equal to Lc, H is equal to cylinder also H is equal to Lc, Lc is equal to A by P. If it is placed like this, then D is equal to Lc. Beta is equal to 1 by V dV by dt. dV by dt at constant pressure. Beta is equal to 1 by T min for ideal gas. Delta T is equal to TW minus T infinity. Rayleigh number Ra is equal to Gr into Pr. Nu is equal to C into GR whole power M. M is equal to 1 by 4 laminar for laminar flow. C is equal to 0.53, GRPR less than 10 pound 9, H bar is equal to 1.33 HL, M is equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 turbulent flow, GRPR greater than 10 pound 9, H bar is equal to HL. If nothing is mentioned, GR by RE square less than 0.1, pure forced convection. If GR by RE square greater than 10, then pure free convection, Gr by Re square is equal to 0.1 to 10, both free and forced convection, because Gr has buoyancy force. If buoyancy force is more, then free convection will be more. Radiation speed, c speed of light is equal to lambda wavelength into f frequency. Energy by photon E is equal to mc square is equal to hf. H is equal to Planck's constant is equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joule per second. Alpha plus rho plus tau is equal to 1. Alpha absorptivity and rho reflectivity, tau transmissivity. 0 less than or equal to alpha rho tau less than or equal to 1. For non-reflecting body, rho is equal to 0. For perfectly reflecting body, rho is equal to 1. For black body, alpha is equal to 1, rho plus tau is equal to 0. For opaque body, tau is equal to 0. Tau is equal to 0, rho plus alpha is equal to 1. Transparent or diathermalous body, tau is equal to 1. Opaque means tau is equal to 0. O2 and 2 thermally inert, alpha is equal to tau is equal to rho is equal to 0. White body, rho is equal to 1, alpha is equal to tau is equal to 0. Black body, alpha is equal to 1, epsilon is equal to 1, rho is equal to tau is equal to 0. E is equal to total hemispherical emissive power is equal to integral 0 to infinity E lambda d lambda. E lambda is monochromatic. Epsilon is equal to E by EB. Epsilon lambda is equal to E lambda by B lambda. Alpha average is equal to integral 0 to infinity alpha lambda G lambda d lambda by integral 0 to infinity G lambda d lambda. Epsilon is equal to integral 0 to infinity E lambda by integral 0 to infinity EB lambda d lambda. Gray body, epsilon lambda not equal to f of lambda, that is independent of wavelength. E lambda, black body, gray body, it will be like this. Non-gray body, it will fluctuate with wavelength, dependent on wavelength. Kirchhoff's law, at thermal equilibrium, alpha is equal to epsilon, that is absorptivity is equal to emissivity. Planck's law, EV lambda is equal to 2 pi C1 by lambda power 5 into e power C2 by lambda t minus 1. Wein's displacement law, lambda m into t is equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin. Stephen Boltzmann law, EB is equal to sigma T power 4, E is equal to epsilon EB is equal to epsilon sigma T power 4 watt per meter square. Sigma is equal to 5.67 into 10 power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin per 4. Lambert's cosine rule, I is equal to I n cos theta 1, I watt per meter square steradian, omega is equal to AR by R square is equal to sin theta d pi steradian. E122 is equal to I AR1 cos theta to omega. AR1 emitting body area. For black body, EB is equal to pi IN. Shape factor A12 A2 F12. Reciprocatory relation A1 F12 is equal to A2 F21. F11 plus F12 plus F13 so on F1n is equal to 1. The surface resistance is equal to 1 minus epsilon by A epsilon. Space resistance is equal to 1 by AF. General Q122 net is equal to EB1 minus EB2 by sigma RTH is equal to sigma into T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 by sigma RTH. Infinitely long parallel plates Q12 by A is equal to sigma into T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 by 1 by epsilon 1 plus 1 by epsilon 2 minus 1 watt per meter square. With shield Q122 is equal to Q122 by A is equal to sigma into T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 by 1 by epsilon 1 plus 2 by epsilon s plus 1 by epsilon 2 minus 1. Q12 net 1 to 2 with n shields is equal to 1 by n plus 1 Q without into Q without shield. Epsilon 1 is equal to epsilon 2 is equal to epsilon s. Infinite long cylinders Q122 is equal to sigma into T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 by 1 minus epsilon 1 by A1 epsilon 1 plus 1 by A1 F12 plus 1 minus epsilon 2 by A1 epsilon 2 is equal to sigma T1 power 4 minus T2 power 4 into A1 by 1 by epsilon 1 plus A1 by A2 into 1 by epsilon 2 minus 1. Irradiation G, total thermal radiation incident on surface. Radiosity J, thermal radiation leaving the surface. J is equal to E plus rho plus tau into G is equal to E plus 1 minus alpha into G. J is equal to epsilon EB plus 1 minus epsilon into G. Thermocouple H A into Tg minus Tc. Tc is thermocouple, Tg minus Tc is error in thermocouple is equal to epsilon T thermocouple into sigma into Tc power 4 minus Tw power 4. Tw is wall temperature into A gets cancelled. Get previous paper mistakes. Room starts condensing means wall temperature is equal to dew point temperature. Heat generated in middle slab is equal to heat loss in slab 1 plus heat loss in slab 2. When heat generated, resistance method, don't use resistance method, heat won't be same throughout. Lumped capacity analysis, Biot number less than 0.1, internal conductive resistance less than external convective resistance, Biot number is equal to ICR by ECR. Fin effectiveness epsilon is equal to Q dot with fin by Q dot without fin is equal to root Kp by HACS. For more effectiveness, thin and widely spaced fins are used. Fin efficiency is equal to Q actual by Q max. When Qmax is when whole fin is at base temperature. Theta is equal to theta 1 sin hm into 2l minus x plus theta 2 sin hmx by sin hm into 2l. Theta by theta naught is equal to cos hm into l minus x by cos hml. Fin character length LC is equal to L plus A cross section by P. For cylinder, LC is equal to L plus D by 4 as A is equal to pi by 4 D square, P is equal to pi D. For rectangle, LC is equal to L plus T by 2, A is equal to WT and P is equal to 2 into W plus T. Q dot is equal to root HP KAC into theta B into tan HML. Heat transfer occurs without temperature difference. H tends to infinity, Bright number tends to infinity. Theta star is equal to f of r star Fourier number into Fourier number come Bright number at center line. R star is equal to 0. Fourier number A is equal to Fourier number B. Alpha tau by r square is equal to alpha tau by r square alpha k by rho Cp. Then solve. A near atmospheric condition PR is equal to 1. Delta H is equal to delta T. Blasius equation 2f triple prime plus f into f double prime is equal to 0. Third order non-linear differential equation. Vertical plate free convection Nu is equal to K Ra whole power 1 by 4. Laminar for turbulent, then it will be 1 by 3. Rayleigh number Ra is equal to Gr into Pr. Grashof number Gr is equal to G beta delta T L cube by V square. Nu directly proportional to L power 3 by 4. H directly proportional to L power minus 1 by 4. Surface heat flux excess temperature Ts minus Tsat. Initially pure convection, then nucleate boiling, then third, then unstable film, stable film, radiation in interface evaporation, bubbles 2 and 3 bubbles from 4 it is film, bubbles condensate, nucleate boiling, bubbles rise to interface, partial nucleate and unstable nucleate film. In pool boiling, highest heat transfer coefficient in nucleate boiling. Highest heat transfer coefficient in nucleate boiling. Pool boiling, natural convection and bubble induced mixing. Forced convection boiling, external means and bubble induced mixing. Saturation boiling, liquid temperature slightly greater than saturated temperature. Subcooled boiling, liquid temperature less than saturated temperature. Film condensation, liquid wet surface H directly proportional to x power minus 1 by 4. H bar is equal to 4 by 3 HF. Droplet condensation, drops Q drop is equal to 10 times Q film. AC duct dH is equal to 4 AC by P is equal to 4 WT by 2 into W plus T. I is equal to rho V dH by mu and nu is equal to H dH by K. Flow over flat plate Rex is equal to Vx by mu less than 5 into 10 power 5. Laminar flow PR power 1 by 3 is equal to delta H by delta T. Delta H is equal to 5x by root Rex. Q dot into pi dl is equal to m dot cp into t5 minus t1. Q dot into pi dl2 is equal to m dot cp into t2 minus t1. For constant heat flux, Nu is equal to 4.36, H is equal to 4.36, K by D is equal to constant, heat flux is equal to Q is equal to H into delta T. For thermal developed flow, delta T is equal to constant, delta Tp is equal to Tp wall minus T2, delta Tq is equal to Tq wall minus T3. Diffuse radiation surface, radiation intensity independent of angle. Lambda max into T is equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin. For opaque surface, tau is equal to 0, alpha plus rho is equal to 1. Plate in a room, FPR is equal to 1. Q is equal to sigma into Tp power 4 minus Tr power 4 by 1 minus epsilon P by epsilon P AP plus 1 by AP FPR plus 1 minus epsilon R by epsilon R into A. If it 1 or 2 are at an angle theta like this, F12 is equal to 1 minus sin theta by 2. Irradiation on surface 1 is equal to emitted energy by 2 plus reflected energy of 1 by 2 is equal to epsilon 2 sigma T2 power 4 plus rho 2 epsilon 1 sigma T1 power 4. Here tau 2 is equal to 0 given, alpha 2 plus rho 2 is equal to 1, alpha 2 is equal to epsilon 2. So finally epsilon 2 into sigma T2 power 4 plus 1 minus epsilon 2 into epsilon 1 sigma T1 power 4. In shell and tube heat exchanger, baffles are used to main function to create turbulence by changing direction of flow to increase mixing of fluid, increase shell side H. Next second function to support tubes to prevent bending. LMTD counter greater than LMTD cross flow greater than LMTD parallel flow. A parallel greater than A cross A counter flow for same temperature difference. Steam is used on shell side and water is used on tube side because it is easier to maintain vacuum on shell side than tube side. NTU is equal to UEA by m dot C min. CR is equal to m dot C min by m dot C max. For C is equal to 1, epsilon counter is equal to NTU by 1 plus NTU. ESC previous papers, fins are provided on side which where H is lowest for more effectiveness. K fin material should be high for high heat to weight ratio. Parabolic shape of fin is preferred. Stationary bodies vertical, moving bodies in direction of flow. Forward stagnation point A. Heat transfer coefficient is maximum at A. Because of boundary layer eddies continuously sweeps surfaces at A. When flow is laminar, heat transfer coefficient is minimum at B at 80 degrees in direction of flow where flow separation takes place. When flow is turbulent, H is minimum at C 130 degrees in direction of flow where flow separation takes place. Hydrodynamic entrance length LH laminar greater than LH turbulent 0.05 RED 0.1.359 RE power 1 by 4 into D. Heated horizontal plate, cooled horizontal, heated vertical plate, cooled vertical plate. Hot surface on top T1 greater than T2, hot surface on bottom T2 greater than T1 greater than heat transfer. Hot air lightweight replace cold air. Free convection turbulent flow over cylinder Nu directly proportional to RA whole power 1 by 3 directly proportional to D cube whole power 1 by 3 HD by K directly proportional to D H by K directly proportional to D power 0 H directly proportional to K H is independent of D and L is equal to integral 0 to L Hx dx by K H bar is equal to 1 by L integral 0 to L Hx dx. Forced convection Nu is equal to C into RA power A into PR power B. Natural convection Nu is equal to C into GR PR whole power A. Combined convection Nu is equal to C into RA GR PR whole power A. Bulk mean temperature is equal to 2 by UM R square integral RO square integral 0 to RO TUR dr. TUR into dr. TFR into RDR. Stanton number used in forced convection ST into PR power 2 by 3 is equal to CFX by 2 ST is equal to Nu by RE into PR. Film condensation delta film thickness directly proportional to X power 0.25. H directly proportional to X power minus 1 by 4. H bar is equal to 1.33 H. Laminar flow through pipes of constant wall temperature. H is maximum at beginning of flow. H maximum decreases and then comes constant, developing fully developed flow. Laminar flow through pipes of constant heat flux. T length of pipe temperature, fluid temperature, both increase in direction of flow. Black body absorbs and emits all alpha is equal to 1. Alpha is gray body epsilon not equal to f of lambda. Specular body theta incident is equal to theta reflected. Diffusion body intensity of radiation same in all directions. Radiosity J is equal to epsilon E plus 1 minus epsilon into G. For hemisphere solid angle is equal to 2 pi steradians. Planck's law E lambda comma B lambda comma T differentiate means displacement lambda T is equal to 2898 micrometer Kelvin integrate then we will get Stephen Boltzmann E is equal to sigma T power 4. Satellite deep space no media only radiation. Oxygen plus nitrogen air tau is equal to 1 transmissivity not a reflector absorbs very small amount. Radiation intensity is equal to E by pi. regenerative heat exchanger, Langston air heater, direct contact heat exchanger, water cooling tower. Plane wall Q in plus Qgen minus Q out is equal to Q stored. H bar is equal to 1 by L integral 0 to L Hx dx. Richardson number Ra is equal to Gr by Ra square. Gr greater than Ra square free convection. Gr less than Ra square forced convection. Gr almost equal to Ra square mixed convection. 1 or 2 are like this, then F12 is equal to sum of crossed length minus sum of uncrossed length by 2 into length of emitter. F1 or 2, 1 is emitter, is equal to AD plus BC minus AC plus BC by 2 into AB. For triangle F12 is equal to A1 plus A2 minus A3 by 2A1. A1 plus A2 minus A3 by 2A1.